How are we, YouTube? George here, and hope you're all well and happy. I'm sure anyone that's been watching the channel for quite a while remembers this. And this thing had an awful lot of problems, so we had to ship it off to the man, the myth, the legend, Ray the Jedi Byrne down in Carlow to get this thing sorted out, because it had a list of problems the length of my arm, and I don't really do solving problems and stuff. It's not my bag, and I'd be totally lost without him. So he completely went through this thing, rebuilt all the counter, it's completely recapped all the main board, and he put in one of his binary adder boards there. You can see it here. So we're going to address the cosmetic stuff now, and see if we can undo all this crap. And whoever done this needs a good kicking. Whatever they were at is beyond me. But however, we're going to set to now and put it back to how it should be. Okay, so I'm going to leave it there for this video. You see we have the front removed, and the new one's down there. I had to glue the silk screen part back onto the top of it. It was the way it came from Tim in Arizona, so it's got plenty of clamps on it there, and it's setting up. So I've done the knobs there, but I'm not 100% happy with them. But like, that shows you, if you spend a bit of time, you know. But I'll get them better than that. I need some warm water just to get the dirt out. There's ingrained dirt in them, and we'll get them a lot better than that. So, as I said, we'll leave it there for this video. We come back the next time. What we'll have to do is we have to get we'll get the new front panel on, get the meters in. We'll change out all these bulbs to LEDs, because the two of them don't work at all. These are okay, but they don't work. And we'll kind of take it from there then. So I cleaned up all the bits for the, see me there cleaning up the bits like for the clock, the screen, like it's, you know, very transparent now. Some weird dimple on it there. But anyway, I cleaned this up, but I'm not 100% happy with that, so I'll probably end up wet sanding that with some 2000 grit, and then we'll polish it, and just to try and get some of them scratches out of it. And yeah, that's where we'll go from there. So we'll catch you in the next one. All the best.